Hi, I'm Raza Kharal and you're watching Raza Kharal YouTube channel. So dear viewers, it is going to be very difficult in the near future as coronavirus is spreading like wildfire in society again, and this third wave is really very dangerous. And at the same time, political instability is also writ large here, especially in the context of Tehreek Labbaik Pakistan's protest. Although it has been banned by the government, yet the ban is not enough as far as the activities of TLP are concerned. But one once looks back at the history of TLP's activities, one finds that the same government which is in power right now, I mean the PTI government, has been in fact fanning and helping and supporting TLP when it was waging or staging protest against the PMLN government. So it's like now PTI government is reaping the crop which it has in fact sown in the past. So this has to be settled down once and for all. As far as TLP's demands are concerned, these are the demands which in fact are very much relevant with our sentiments as Pakistanis, that we cannot afford to have a country as a friend which has been in fact causing lots of blasphemy or which has been not protecting, which has been in fact not helping taking action against those people or discouraging those people who tend to commit blasphemy. So let's set aside these things and focus on the issues which are related to Pakistan's future. So most of the people are demanding that the government should take initiative measures on diplomatic issues, and especially if the French government is not taking any measures, so it should sever its relationship with France. So, but on the cost of what? The cost is immense and colossal. Means cost is in terms of lots of help and support which comes from France will have to be stopped. So Pakistan is like in catch 20 situation, and we have to convince TLP that there are certain measures which cannot be taken immediately. They will have to take times. But the government, when it has backed out of the promise and the agreement it had made with the TLP leadership in the past, near past, in fact, has thrown itself in the quagmire and to the situation, and that's failure. I doubt the vision of this leadership of PTI, who had signed just to implement, but when it came to implementation, they have just refuted to and let the TLP stage protest and react on the arrest of Saad Rizvi, the leader of TLP. So now the TLP is serious, quite serious in implementing or in its own agenda or its own kind of issues or its own kind of things. So what we can hope that the economy will reel under these circumstances. The economy which is already suffering because of COVID-19 and the bad governance of PTI, this has added fuel to fire. So one can hope that all the stakeholders concentrate on the issue, rethink and revise the situation and sort out solution to the problems, because if it is not sorted out, it may escalate and tend to destabilize the country, which we pray that should not be destabilized because it is our country. Thank you.